Since Inspector Gadget defeated you, and you crashed into his basement.
That was a tactical retreat!
Right. Nice mitten, by the way. Very retro.
Mad Cat! Get me a different temporary claw, now!
The good news is, I infiltrated HQ. And the better news is, Gadget retired.
Excellent. Soon I will have my revenge on HQ. But first, I need my claw.
Shouldn't you get out of the iceberg first?
Just get me my claw.
Okay, how many creeps are creeping around out there? Lots. No problem. We've taken out more than this before, right? Just watch me, Brain. Well, that was easy. Want to get some lunch? I am so hungry. I forgot to scan above us, didn't I? Well, that training session was a fail. Let's reboot the holo room before the chief finds out.
Hey! I need you in my office.
And he found out. Chief Quimby, before you say anything, let me explain.
I'd like to meet the agency's newest recruit.
Hey, pretty girl. I'm Talon. What's your name?
Hi, pretty Penny. Hi. Wait, who are you? Who is he? And how could he be a recruit already?
Well, his test scores are through the roof. He has PhDs in applied physics and advanced computer science, and he's a martial arts grandmaster.
I know. I'm wicked impressive.
Penny, Dr. Claw has returned.
What? That's terrible news. But I thought he was gone for good.
Our intel says Dr. Claw has been hiding in the Antarctic. We believe his first goal will be to locate and acquire his claw. No one has seen it since...
Uncle Gadget declawed him. So we should bring back Uncle Gadget to help us find the claw. Come on, Brain. You know Uncle Gadget's gonna need our help.
Golf. What better way to spend my retirement? Just eye up your shot, relax, and most importantly, choose the right club. Go, Gadget Golf Club. A hole-in-one. Chief Quimby, I didn't know you golfed.
Inspector Gadget, HQ needs you back. It seems Dr. Claw has returned.
Dr. Claw? That is serious. And I'm just the man for the job, Chief. Go, Gadget Copter.
Oh! Aye! Some things never change. Inspector Gadget, I want to welcome you back to the brand new HQ, where we recently installed a brand new security system. Security card isn't working.
I think that's your gym card.
Ah, That would explain it.
And that's a credit card, coffee club card. That's a picture of a sailboat. That's a cracker.
Thank you. My old uniform.
You're not getting into those old rags. No, that simply will not do.
Ah, Professor Von Slickstein. Great to see you again.
I've got an idea for a totally new uniform. Something new, something exciting, something we've never seen before. Just step into my heroic Costuminator 5000. No, not good enough. Nope.
A thong?
Oops. How did that get in there? It's perfect! Initiate transformation! Gadget 2.0! Try out your new toys!
All right. Go-Go Gadget skates, jet engine, lasers, and rockets.
Oh, hey, don't forget the new gumball machine.
I love gum. Go-Go Gadget gumball machine. Oh, let me get that.
Anywho, so, Inspector Gadget, you were the last one to see Dr. Claw's claw. What do you remember exactly? And be as detailed as you can.
I do seem to remember something about a thong.
His memory chip must be damaged.
We can access his memory using the cerebral hyperdrive fiber link.
Then, we'll be able to upload his memories using nanotube production protocol.
Great idea, Penny. Let's get started.
We can use the holographic interface in the training room.
Okay, I'll meet you guys there. I just need to call my aunt.
Uncle Claw, I found a way to locate your claw.
Now nothing will stop me from destroying HQ.
Oh, one more thing. Inspector Gadget's back. See ya.
What? I was just talking to Doctor, Ant, Claw, Det. Never mind. Stay. Good boy.
Are you ready, Uncle Gadget?
I'm as ready as I've ever been.
Establishing optical link.
I'm washing all the grease off.
Okay, and we're quickly rewinding.
Ah, there I am during my last battle with Dr. Claw. You know, they still teach that technique to this day. Anyway, Claw was aiming his long-range stink missile right at HQ.
Dr. Claw had a stink missile?
Next thing I knew, I wound up with this fabulous hat.
Dr. Claw's claw.
Oh! Go-Go Gadget! Band-Aid.
There it is. It's in a village in the rainforest. Brain, what happened?
Your flea bag sniffed the wrong butt. Oh, and thanks, Penny. My uncle will be happy to have his claw back.
You're Dr. Claw's nephew?
Dr. Claw's nephew? Don't worry, Penny. I've got him. Go-Go Gadget rocket skates.
No, Uncle Gadget.
See ya! I gotta tell you, you're better at this than I thought you'd be.
Oh, thanks. Hey, that's it.
Well, it's been fun. Almost forgot. Say goodbye to HQ's power and Gadget. Call me!
Wowzers.
Oops. Looks like someone forgot their phone. And it's ringing.
No, Uncle Gadget!
Hello?
Uncle Gadget, are you okay? Uncle Gadget, are you okay?
Not to worry, Penny. Go, Gadget flashlight. Lamp? Glow stick, maybe?
Oh no! We need to find a way to restart Uncle Gadget.
There's no time for napping, Chief. We've got to find Dr. Claw's claw.
Mad Cat, what do you think of this temporary claw? Is it working? No.
Hey, what's up, Uncle C?
Where have you been? You were to report back hours ago.
But Uncle Claw, I did call. I left like 1 billion messages.
You have 1 billion messages. Deleted.
Do you have it?
It's in some town in the middle of the rainforest. You know how big rainforests are, right?
I don't care. Bring me my claw, and then I will finally launch my stink missile with it. The stench will render HQ unusable forever.
Why'd you have to make your claw the key to the missile? Why not, like, a real key? Or even better, no key?
Just get my claw. No doubt Gadget and his pesky niece will be after it soon.
You think Penny's coming?
No nephew of Dr. Claw can come in here and mess with our stuff. Talon is going down for betraying me. I mean, everyone.
Well, you have to get going to find the claw before Talon does.
I have an idea. Why don't we take the Gadget Mobile?
I have a better idea. Why don't we take the Gadget Mobile? My old trusty Gadget Mobile, just as good as new.
More rusty than trusty. Why don't we use the new Gadget Mobile?
I'm sure we can still fix the old one. Maybe with a new paint job? New Gadget Mobile it is. It's a little more subtle than my old one.
According to my map, the village is just around those trees. If we hoof it, we should be able to beat Talon.
I like your enthusiasm, but we don't know what's lurking here. Mad could be all around us. Like maybe here.
Brain, Talon is here somewhere. You go on ahead and see if you can spot him.
Over there.
But make sure he doesn't spot you.
This way, Penny. There's no time to waste.
The claw's gotta be around this village somewhere.
It may look like a village, Penny, but my trained eye sees what it really is. A cutting-edge mad base. Aha! It's a mad agent. Stop!
Uncle Gadget, look!
No time for bird watching now, Penny. I've got to stop this mad agent. Stop where you are! Stop!
How about a hand for Talon? Ha! You know, 'cause like the claw is like a hand.
Yeah, I get it. It's just lame, Talon. Like you.
Gadget rocket skates.
You're not taking anything, Talon.
Sure I am. And when I bring my uncle his claw, I'll be the winner, and you'll be stuck here.
Chief Quimby, Talon escaped with the claw.
We know Claw was last seen in the Antarctic. That must be where he's headed.
Then that's where we're headed, Chief.
Claw. How I've missed you. Time to send a message. The stink missile strike. The smell will render HQ useless forever.
Why wouldn't you start the timer at like 2? Boom, done. That would be perfect.
Well, that's not how it's done!
Everyone, remember where we parked.
Talon is here, which means Dr. Claw must be here too. This way.
Ah, cool, crisp, fresh Arctic air. That stink is coming from down there. Someone should really tell them about this smell. I could get down to them in a hurry. Go, go, Gadget skis!
Uncle Gadget?
A shortcut. Good idea, me.
Brain, you look after Uncle Gadget. I've got to shut down that missile, capture Talon, and get Dr. Claw's claw.
Phew. Someone's coming after me. It must be a mad agent trying to stop me. Fortunately, I'm an expert skier.
Huh? Oh, a penguin. So cute.
Hi, pretty Penny. Can't stay away, can you, Penny?
Well, I needed to get close enough to kick your butt.
Sorry, I don't have time. Maybe when we meet again. Catch you later.
Yeah, like I'd forget to check above me. Brain, Talon's getting away with Dr. Claw. The missile's gonna launch any second.
Go, go, Gadget copter!
I've got Gadget in my sights now. I will destroy Gadget and HQ in the same day.
Uncle Claude! No, wait!
Time to catch this mad agent. Go, go, Gadget handcuffs!
I'll get you next time, Gadget!
Uncle Gadget, you did it! You stopped the stink missile.
I did? I mean, yes, of course I did.
Good work, team. You saved HQ.
Thanks, Chief.
But Uncle Gadget, Dr. Claw got away. And now we have his nephew Talon to worry about, too.
Uncle Claw? Anyone? A little help here, please!